Jade, what are you doing? Okay, go. I don't want to kiss this right now. Where's the kid? Go find Landon. Go on. Alright, so the tractor got T-boned the other day, and I was pulling into work, and a buddy of mine was backing up, and he gunned it. Well, gunned it. He just put it on the gas and backed it up, but he thought the close was clear and backed into me. So T-boned the tractor. At first, I didn't think it was that bad. I'll show you guys. It was a Ford F-150 hit me right there. It doesn't look bad. Oh no, that's alright, don't worry about it. I said I'll pop the dent out. Then I got looking at it. It shoved the B-pillar right in. You see the crack, you can see right inside the car. I see the crinkle right here. Now the insurance didn't get involved because I didn't want to bother. I'm probably going to regret it later. You can see the kind of damage it did. It pushed this pillar almost into the seat. Like, it's pretty close compared to the other side. So we're going to try to pull it out today. We'll fix it. We got ourselves a big tree. We got a strap right there. I'm not sure if we're going to just do it with the ratchet strap. We might need chain blocks, but we parked on semi-dry ground. We're going to try to pull that B-pillar out, and hopefully it doesn't rip the bottom of the rocker panel off. Now if you look down the side of the car, it's pretty bad. Down here you can see it. The whole thing is in. This piece, this B-pillar here is pushed right in. You can tell by looking at it. So let's get hooked up, see what happens. Alright, so here's the setup I got. Ratchet strap, hooked to the B-pillar. I believe that's what we call a B-pillar. We'll see if we can bend it back out. I'm going to watch the gap between the seat and the door. I just want the gap between the window and the door to come back so it closes properly. I don't really care about the dent. And I can pop that out from the inside. Here goes. I'll probably flip the old girl right over before it moves it. Oh, I seen it crack. That's a good sign. What I'm probably going to do is get the axe and then pound the wrinkles out of it. Oh, should have chain blocks on this. I need to get the axe here and put it a hammer. It looks like it might have pulled it in place. Promising. Yeah, you know, use a hammer. That's all I can find at this second. So that's what I'm using. Get over it. Now we're gonna come back and paint that. That looks pretty. Almost professional. Come around this way. You see the gap now is quite a bit in the seat. Come from here is good. You see we got a nice gap here now. Let's probably pull it over an inch. So I think we're close. We're gonna let it go and then try the doors now. Get back in case it goes snap. Oh. Alright, first, this door didn't shut very good. That door is bent though, so it can't be a very good test. Let's try this one now. I think I pulled it in the wrong spot. Now we got top the doors bent. Okay, so we definitely moved that pillar back in place, but I think maybe the door is bent. It's quite a gap on the top side. I'm gonna see when I put my knee behind the door and pull that back, that window frame back in place, because this fits nice now. The front door shuts nice. This is not in place. I think it's just bent. So we're gonna put the window down and we're gonna come with my knee on it and see if I can bend it here a little bit. Alright, so here goes. Oh, maybe a little too far. What do you think? I'm gonna call that good. Now we'll have to get the door panel on, just pop that sucker out. I mean, the door is, it's warped, but it still shuts. It doesn't open and shut like it should, but I could probably adjust this one too. You can see it's lifted a little bit too, but we're calling that good enough. It's not 100%, but I could play with it and get it to the spot where it's close enough anyway. As long as the window goes up. Yeah, that one doesn't go too good up and down now, but once it goes up, it probably won't go back down anyway, so I don't really care. Alright, so you can see the bottom of the rocker panel is all rotted out. We're going to go ahead and fix that probably this summer. Coming out in the winter time because it's going to rot out some more. It was a $300 car, so I'm not complaining. And that dent, most of that should pop out. With the red, it's hard to see from the side anyway. And then you can see it doesn't look that bad. Almost 100%, except for that big dent right there. Alright guys, tell me what you think of that fast body work on the Jeep. I don't know what I'm going to call this video, but anyway, please comment, rate, and subscribe and see what else we get up to around here. Talk to you later, and Happy New Year's.